Do you know how to say this in German? Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which, and how to use them correctly. These words are essential for every conversation. In daily life, we constantly ask questions such as, why did something happen? Where is someone? What time is it? In German, these question words are called W-Fragen. Fortunately, they have direct equivalents in English, which makes them easier to learn and remember. W-Fragen. Our first question word is wer, which means who. We use it to ask about a person, essentially when we want to know who did something or who someone is. For example, wer bist du? Wer bist du? Who are you? Another example, wer spricht? Wer spricht? Who is speaking? Wer ist das? Wer ist das? Who is it? The next question word is was, which means what. Use was to ask about things, objects, or actions, just like the word what in English. For example, was ist das? Was ist das? What is it? Was machst du? Was machst du? What are you doing? Was liest sie? Was liest sie? What is she reading? Next question word is wo, which means where. We use it to ask about places or locations. You can ask about where someone is. Wo bist du? Wo bist du? Where are you? Where someone lives. Wo wohnst du? Wo wohnst du? Where do you live? Or you can ask about where something is located. Wo ist die Schule? Wo ist die Schule? Where's the school? Our next question word is wann, which means when. It used to ask about time. For example, wann gehst du? Wann gehst du? When are you leaving? Wann isst du? Wann isst du? When do you eat? Wann beginnt der Film? Wann beginnt der Film? When does the movie start? Let's continue with the next one. Warum? Warum means why. This is the word you use to ask about reasons or motivations. It is one of the most common question words because asking why is something we do a lot in everyday life. For example, warum lernst du Deutsch? Warum lernst du Deutsch? Why are you learning German? Warum ist er traurig? Warum ist er traurig? Why is he sad? Warum bist du hier? Warum bist du hier? Why are you here? Next question word is wie, which means how. It asks about the manner, condition, or way something happens. For example, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? How are you? Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? What's your name? Wie spät ist es? Wie spät ist es? What time is it? Wohin? Wohin means where to. We use it to ask about direction or destination. Wohin gehst du? Wohin gehst du? Where are you going? Wohin fährt der Zug? Wohin fährt der Zug? Where is the train going? Wohin soll ich das bringen? Wohin soll ich das bringen? Where should I take this? Woher? Woher means where from. We use it to ask about origin or source. For example, woher kommst du? Woher kommst du? Where are you from? Woher weißt du das? Woher weißt du das? How do you know that? Woher kommt dieser Brief? Woher kommt dieser Brief? Where does this letter come from? Let's go to the next question word. Vilsha, vilche, vilches. Vilsha means which, and we use them when choosing between options. Vilsha is a bit special compared to other question words. It's the only one that changes its ending to agree with the noun it's referring to. You will see it in forms like vilsha, vilche, vilches. And remember, it usually comes right before a noun. Vilsha Tag ist heute? Welcher Tag ist heute? Which day is today? Welche Farbe magst du? Welche Farbe magst du? Which color do you like? Welches Buch liest du? Welches Buch liest du? Which book are you reading? The next one is wie viel. Wie viel asks about an amount of something uncountable. For example, wie viel Geld hast du? Wie viel Geld hast du? How much money do you have? Wie viel Zeit bleibt? Wie viel Zeit bleibt? How much time is left? Wie viel kostet das? Wie viel kostet das? How much does that cost? And the last question word is wie viele. Wie viele ask about a number of countable things. For example, wie viele Kinder hat sie? Wie viele Kinder hat sie? How many children does she have? Wie viele Tische sind im Raum? Wie viele Tische sind im Raum? How many tables are in the room? Learning these words is a great start, and I also have some tips on how to practice them so they really stick. You can find them in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Tschüss!